Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for today I will be teaching you how to create a filter in Gmail. So of course what you have to do first is to open Gmail and log into your account and access this web page. So after that, what you have to do next is to click this gear icon. So this one would be the settings. So once you click that, then a mini sidebar will show up and just click see all settings. So after that, you will be greeted by this web page, and what you have to do next is to click the filters and blocked addresses tab. So what you have to do next is to create a new filter by clicking this link over here. So as you can see, there are multiple fields. So the from field, you can enter the email address or domain name of the sender that you want to filter. So in my case, I'll just choose my personal account and the two fields as well. And for the subject, then if you want to filter emails with a specific subject line, then you can just enter the keywords in the subject field. And for hash the words, if you want to filter emails with certain keywords in the message, enter them in this field over here. And for the doesn't have field, that will be the vice versa of has the words field. And once you're done, you can just click create filter. So you can tick whatever box you want to use, whatever is applicable for you. So let's just click some of them, and yes, for the new filter. So after that, then this filter will now be active, and any incoming mails that match the filter criteria will be automatically sorted according to your selected action. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.